Just a little overview of what's going on here. This is the 2nd of February 2015. Here's some of the overburden that I ended up excavating from the driveway and parking area here at Honky Tonk Manor. Quite a bit of snow over the course of the last 2 days, well, day and a half, from 31st of January to the 1st of February 2015. We got about 10 to 11 inches. A lot of drifting. Just give you an idea how tall these jokers are. What's going on? I imagine this pile here is probably about 6 feet tall. Let's see if I can get me in the pic here. Yeah, so got that. Got this pile here. It's pretty cold, probably 18 degrees this morning, and it's probably in the low 20s right now. I had to clear all this out by the road. They just ran the plow through here this morning, first time since it started snowing 2 days ago. But I don't fault them for that. They've had their hands busy. But yeah, quite a bit of snow here, overburden wise. Here's old HTM standing tall. Used the case 680CK Backhoe, 1972 vintage. Big old diesel. Right around 18,000 pound machine. So that makes quick work of everything. Plus I have my Graveleys. I had got 3 2-wheel Graveleys with both plow and snowblower implements. Good sized pile here by the Saab. Probably 4 foot tall pile. Just to give you an idea of how these drifts came out here. Right there, straight ahead, is my picnic table. So you can see it's definitely over the seats of the picnic table. It's probably about 20 inches right there, the drift. There's the case. Got a little bit of overburden over here. Some pretty good size piles here, probably 6 foot piles here. Get me in the pic. So yeah, there's a little bit of snow, a little bit, but with the backhoe, it makes it real easy. Not really afraid of anything. As far as being snowed in, even if I was, got plenty of food here and everything that I need to survive very, very comfortably, with or without electricity, or needing to go to the store or anything else of that matter. So that's how we roll in the country, baby. You gotta have everything squared away, and here it is. Here it is. The old case, TCB. Right on. See ya.